You have a really beautiful phrase on the website that I really love about the infused items. You say they're to keep, to love, and to pass on.
Yeah.
What's the story behind that, and how does that speak to what you infuse into the crystals?
The reason why basically that slogan, I think that slogan matches them very well, because it kind of depicts how much people love these, how much people love these. Like people there's one gentleman, he has a crystal, he basically bought a crystal. He holds it all day. He's driving one hand. He's going to the shopping centre. He's holding one hand. It's dangerous. Don't do that. That's why it's better to wear a pendant. So that way you can drive. Basically, you can drive with both hands. But so they really cherish it and they love it. And it's something that it's not. To keep means. It's really something. It's for your. It's going to benefit you. It's going to serve you for your whole lifetime. You're going to keep it. And when you decide to check out, when you're too old and you start to check out, you can actually pass it down to your next generation. Yeah. So, and then the crystal, the spirit in the crystal, the healing property, it starts to continue healing your family. So that's why I couldn't come up with a better phrase than that. Which is actually truly reflects that, So that's why, that's the meaning of that.